Your owner's manual looks official, precise, and trustworthy. But when it comes to oil changes, it's quietly holding back. It gives a schedule, not the ugly truth of the damage piling up inside your motor. Hidden wear, heat damage, and long-term failures can start while everything still seems normal. Get ready for 11 oil change facts the owner's manual keeps hidden. Facts that show why so many engines meet an early death. Don't scroll. Learn the pro method that keeps engines alive far longer than the manual claims. Number 11. The 3,000 mile rule is marketing hype. Seriously, it didn't come from engineering science, it came from the quick lube industry. Frequent oil changes meant steady cash flow, and it worked flawlessly. Drivers worship the 3,000 mile rule like it's sacred law. Non-car owners know it too. It's that widespread. People repeat it without question, convinced skipping it is engine suicide. To shock you even more, the same story applies to motorbikes. Riders swear by the rule just as religiously, making you wonder who designed this narrative. Here's the kicker. Manufacturers don't set oil intervals to maximize engine life. They design them to survive the warranty period while keeping costs predictable. That means the schedule in your manual is about protecting the company more than preserving your engine. If you only keep a car for a few years, following the manual is safe. But for long-term owners, blindly sticking to these intervals wastes money, time, and even oil. Your engine doesn't demand a change every 3,000 miles. It needs the proper oil at intervals that actually match its workload and condition. Recognizing why these recommendations exist allows you to make smarter decisions, avoid unnecessary service, and extend your engine's life far beyond what the manual implies. Number 10, oil degrades more from heat cycles than miles. Your oil isn't dying because of miles, it's dying from heat. Every time you start your engine, the oil heats up, circulates, and slowly breaks down. Short trips with lots of cold starts are actually harder on oil than long highway drives. That's because every cold start makes the oil work harder to lubricate a frigid engine while reaching proper operating temperature. Mileage alone is misleading. Just checking your odometer tells you nothing about how much stress your oil has endured. Engines generate heat, friction, and pressure differently depending on driving conditions. Stop and go city traffic, towing, or heavy acceleration pushes oil to its limits far faster than steady cruising. It's not just about contamination either. Sure, dirt and debris matter, but the bigger threat is chemical breakdown from repeated heating cycles. Over time, oil loses viscosity, oxidation occurs, and it stops protecting your engine as it should. Instead of blindly counting miles, consider your driving style and engine stress. Choosing the right interval and oil type keeps your engine healthier and lasting longer. But even the best oil can fail if one small part is ignored. Tap like, subscribe, and keep watching. You're about to discover the secrets that could save your engine thousands. Number 9, oil filters are often the weak link. Most drivers think oil changes alone are enough. That's a mistake. The oil filter is often the weak link your engine can't afford to ignore. I've seen it countless times. People pour in fresh oil but leave the old filter. Only about 4 in 10 replace it with every oil change. Some even wait until the third oil change before swapping it. By then, the filter has already been beaten down, clogged, or stressed. Filters aren't just passive screens. They have bypass valves that kick in under stress, letting unfiltered oil through to protect the engine. But that's a risk your engine shouldn't take. Cheap filters can collapse or clog entirely, starving critical parts of lubrication. Even premium oil is only as good as the filter it passes through. Changing oil without upgrading the filter is like putting clean water through a dirty coffee filter. Your engine sees all the stress, debris, and breakdown products, shortening its life without warning. Swap the filter every time you change oil. It only costs $10 to $20. But skipping it can lead to a full engine overhaul that costs thousands. Number 8, oil type matters more than change frequency. Not all oils are created equal. The type of oil you use matters more than how often you change it. Conventional, synthetic, and synthetic blends all behave differently under heat, stress, and friction. Choosing the wrong one can wear down your engine faster than ignoring mileage. It's not just about viscosity. Additive packages and detergents inside the oil are what protect your engine. They fight sludge, neutralize acids, and keep moving parts clean. Cheap oil may be replaced frequently, but it often lacks these crucial additives. Frequent changes with low-quality oil won't prevent damage the way high-quality oil can. Synthetic oils are more resistant to breakdown, maintain viscosity longer, and handle extreme heat better. They keep engines smoother, cleaner, and lasting longer. Synthetic blends offer a balance between cost and performance, but even they outperform cheap conventional oils under stress. Know the difference to make smarter choices, not just follow mileage schedules blindly. Using the right oil means less wear, better efficiency, and a longer engine life. Changing oil is important, but the type you pour in makes the real difference. Number 7, changing oil. Too often can be wasteful, but not harmless. Doing it too soon doesn't help. It's wasteful. Worse, it can mask real engine issues, making leaks, sludge buildup, or overheating harder to notice until it's serious. Excessive oil changes hit your wallet hard. Each unnecessary service costs money, and over the life of your vehicle, it can add up to thousands of wasted shillings. And that's just the start. Every discarded liter of oil, every thrown away filter adds pollution and environmental strain. Doing more than your engine actually needs doesn't make it stronger. It only costs and harms the planet. That said, too often sometimes makes sense. Short trips, stop and go traffic, towing, or dusty conditions put extra stress on oil. In these cases, changing earlier protects your engine. But for most drivers, sticking to a well-planned interval, using quality oil, and monitoring engine health is far smarter. Smart oil care isn't about doing it more, it's about doing it right. Save money, protect your engine, and cut unnecessary waste. Moving on, your car thinks it's smart, but does it really know its own limits? Number 6, oil life monitoring systems aren't just mileage counters. Your oil life monitor is smarter than it looks. It doesn't just count miles. Instead, it calculates oil stress based on real engine conditions, temperature spikes, RPM fluctuations, load from towing, and stop and go driving. All these factors tell the system how hard your oil is working, not just how far your car has traveled. These monitors are surprisingly reliable when your driving is consistent. Highway cruising, smooth acceleration, and moderate temperatures give accurate readings that can safely extend oil change intervals. But push your engine hard, frequent short trips, heavy towing, or high heat, and the monitor can lag behind the actual oil condition. It may signal healthy oil even when degradation's already occurring. Knowing how these systems work gives you a huge advantage. Instead of blindly following a fixed mileage schedule, you can tailor maintenance to actual conditions. This prevents unnecessary oil changes while avoiding hidden damage. Drivers who pay attention to oil monitors save money, reduce waste, and keep engines performing optimally. Do not be quick to adjust or dismiss it because it is annoying. Utilize the oil life monitoring as a tool for smarter maintenance decisions and extend engine life far beyond what a mileage-only schedule could achieve. Number 5, sitting still ages your oil faster than driving. Leaving your car parked for months? That safe storage isn't as harmless as you think. Sitting still doesn't protect your engine. It stresses your oil in ways daily driving doesn't. Oil slowly breaks down even when the car isn't moving. Moisture, condensation, and acids build up inside the engine, attacking metal surfaces and reducing lubrication. Add to that dust, grime, and tiny corrosion spots forming while the car sits, and your stored engine can start aging faster than one on the road. Many drivers assume that because the odometer barely moves, the oil is fine. That's a mistake. Oil degrades chemically even without mileage. And when you finally fire up the engine after weeks or months, it may already be compromised. Running the engine briefly before storage helps, but it isn't enough on its own. The solution? Run the engine periodically to circulate oil and evaporate moisture. Don't wait for mileage to trigger your next oil change. Otherwise, you could go 2 years or more without fresh oil while the car sits idle. Always pay attention to the oil's condition even if your car barely moves. For long-term storage, this simple step protects your engine, prevents corrosion, and ensures your car starts smoothly and runs reliably when you need it.